Alright, just got into town. Sorry about the wind, because it's windy. I'm heading out to check on the camper over here by our Frigid Forage food plot. It's the last weekend of the season, so I've still got one tag to fill. Well, unfortunately, it looks like most of the corn is picked over. There are a few items on the ground. Well, not showing a ton of sign, so unless this camera shows me something really good, I'm going to plan B. Alright, well, heading to plan B, which is down the road a little ways, but it's always a good idea to shoot your bow with all of your gear on. And I haven't shot my bow in a while as it is, and so I'm going to shoot a couple times, get all my gear on, just because you get used to practicing in the summer all the time and you never think about actually practicing with all your stuff on, and it can make a big difference. So I'm going to do that right now. Well, I just proved why you want to do that, because as I was shooting, I noticed that one of my string silencers was coming down and hitting my coat jacket. Alright, I got that taken care of. I slid it up a little bit. Got a better feel for my anchor points. Good to go. Let's go hunting. Alright, the shooting made me run a little bit late, but we're here. It's a little crunchy. I'm gonna try to sneak into the stand as quietly as possible. Should be able to sit for about 2 hours. Here's our feeder. There's been a pretty decent amount of activity coming to this. Our stand is back here a little closer to bedding, so I've never actually been to this stand yet this year, so I'm not positive where it is. Alright, I made it. Wasn't exactly where I thought it was. Like I said, this is the first time I've hunted this stand this year, but Uncle Jim shot a buck out of it and a doe out of it, so we can give it a shot. Alright, well, I got in the stand about 4:45 or so. Wasn't planning on using this camera originally, so all the batteries are like 25 to 50% charged, so it's a little warmer than it had been in the past, about 30 degrees, so hoping that the batteries will at least live long enough to make it through. The camera died right in the middle of that, but it never came into bow range, so it didn't matter. Well, it looks like I'm going to leave one tag unfilled, but that's how it goes sometimes. Thanks for everybody who followed along this year during our deer season. It was a good season for us. Thanks for watching all of our videos. Thanks for all the comments. We'll see you during turkey season. Can't wait for that.